Hey everybody, welcome to HG Construction Videos. My name's Hugo Gerner, I'm the owner, and I've had about, I guess, 40 years of construction experience. And this system that we use to build this house here in Ventura, this house actually burnt down in the Thomas fires, and this is a rebuild. And we use California Pre-Cut Homes system of building this house. It's more effective, more efficient, and it saves me grief and the owner money. Check this out. With this particular home that we're building, California Pre-Cut Homes allows me to design a home that the customer wants. Well, basically what we're seeing here right now is the makings of a new slab, or the foundation for the house. We're going to pour a footing. Then when that sets up, we will come in and then we'll pour the slab. We'll let that set up, and basically we'll build a house right on top of that slab. But we're going to use our panelized system. This is a new state-of-the-art, what would be an advanced system or way of building a house that's not modular, and it comes together a lot faster, and I'm going to save my customer a lot of grief and a lot of money. What he's doing right here is screeding. This is the hardest part for a cement finisher. Probably the most important part as well. He gets it flat and level. A guy like this that is really good is invaluable. What he's doing right now takes years to learn how to do, so you get it flat. If you don't do this right, what you can do is you can get ponding in there. What you see here is the foundation of our new home. What's going to happen is the house framing will go up in about a week, and that's complete with the structural siding on the outside and the windows in. This is a pallet of panels that we're going to be erecting on the outside and on the inside. All these are walls that will stand up on the outside and on the inside, and one by one, as we lift them, we stack them and bolt them and fasten them together. These walls were stood up in 8 hours. This is what's called a panelized home. What you're going to see here is a framed house. We framed this house, the walls, in 3.5 days. Then we put the trusses on in 4 days, using only 3 men. There's one more gable that goes up top there, and then we'll be finished. And we'll sheet the roof and begin the interior work. But come on with me. This is going to be the owner's front door, big set of double doors. Then we go into a great room. I sat down with the owner and got our creative juices going, and basically asked her what she wanted. A huge great room with an entrance into the whole room, the bedroom over there, into her boudoir, the bathrooms, 2 extra bedrooms. And what's one of the nice things, if you see those, you see all the studs. That's a panelized home. Factory built homes are closed walls. Everything's in the wall and it does not breathe. These walls are open so that we can run our plumbing and our electrical, put the insulation in, and then drywall. This house will be able to breathe. We walk through the front door into a great room. The beauty of this, and what I'm so proud of, is that I was able to sit down with the owner and design what she wanted to see. We've got a big fireplace for a huge great room, kitchen over there, bedroom over there. California Pre-Cut Homes is really the new way construction is moving today, because it's more efficient, more effective, and probably the best part, there's virtually no waste. They sent me all this material, and once I was done to this point, there's virtually been no waste. The waste that I've accumulated to this point can fit in the back of my truck. So stay tuned for part 2. You're going to love it when we're finished.